The Jamaican buddy reacted.
No man no call my body. And the ladies them alone for call me so. You get them I say?
Don't call me nobody. Serious. How Jab asleep tell them to wake up.
A bad girl deep queen, I'm to tell you about it. You don't know me. I big up Slick 44 music news loud. I'm to tell you about it. Mr. DJ Slick.
Anything but Monday.
It's serious.
Hey, me, expert boss link man say, yo, you have to make a song for that, brother, you know, see you viral.
Yeah.
And I say, alright, I say, shut up the rhythm now. And him say, give me a plug, and I say, don't call me nobody. Nobody, yo, pal, where we come from that, no normal. No call me nobody. Body in your pants, carry that, go give your girl. And him say, mad. And by 5:30 in the morning, that was about 10 o'clock. Yeah, by 5:30 in the morning, the man link me back with the rhythm. And I just go up on the studio right away because I have the studio anyway when I sleep. Yeah.
So
man just shut up the
My loyal viewers and subscribers, we are on the phone line now with Welder. This is the man that gone viral on all social media platforms. He's viral on TikTok, he's viral on Instagram, and also going viral on Facebook, and about to go viral on YouTube. So viewers and subscribers, if you have not listened to this song,
Carry that, go give your girl. Don't call me nobody. Nobody, yo, pal. Where we come from, that no normal. Don't call me nobody.
So right now I'm tell you some man. I call man dog. And I call man yo. Right now me a God. I'm the one that man I call my body. You get me I say, I want to listen to the song. No man no call my body. And the ladies them alone for I say, yeah, body in your pants. Move from there with this vulgar full behavior. No antics here. No antics. Yeah. See if you're calm in the body, boy. If you're calm in the boy, don't calm in the body.
so Welder, let the people
Yes,
know where is the song. By the way, is the song on any form of platform like it? Is it on Spotify?
You know, sir, right now it's just probably YouTube and TikTok and Instagram because we're just having fun with it, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, me's a real road man. Yeah, we're just having fun with it.
Body in your pants. Carry that, go give your girl.